Hello, wonderful people. Happy Thursday. Today I have a really cool treat for you. I'm going to show you how to do a really quick year-to-date creative analysis using some screenshots in Notion. Pretty awesome. All right, so let's first show you what you're going to build. So this is what the creative audit will resemble. So there's a few things we're going to find. We're going to find your top overall creatives by ROAS. We're going to find your top overall creatives by spend. We're going to bifurcate those into prospecting and remarketing. We're going to find your top thumb-stopping creatives. Then we're going to bifurcate those into remarketing and prospecting. We're going to find your top copy, remarketing, prospecting, obviously. And then we're going to find your top image ads as well as your top video ads on top of your top thumb-stopping video ads. So pretty cool, pretty robust analysis, and actually pretty quick to do. So without further ado, we'll jump in. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go into marketing and creatives, and that's going to be your creative dashboard. You'll end up here. You'll want to start on images plus videos. That's just where I start. This is where all the creative analysis lives. I pull year to date. So this is going to be year to date analysis. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull ROAS descending, but I'm also going to add a filter here for over $1,000. So I know that it's not some sort of one or two purchase kind of thing. You can add other filters as well that I'll show you. So I'll grab a screeny here. These are my top ROAS ads. And then what I also will do is take by spend. I like spend as a proxy for success. So these are going to be my top ads for the year. And then I'll also take it another level where it's really easy to segment your campaigns or layer segments onto this dashboard. And so all my prospecting campaigns are prefixed with PR. So I just make a prospecting segment. And so now I can easy peasy, boom, I can see all my prospecting ads, and the same thing for the retargeting. RT is suffixed on all my remarketing campaigns. And so RT is right there. And so I can see all these campaigns. So I'm grabbing screenshots here to identify those creatives, top ROAS, and then by spend. The next thing I'll do is by spend, I'll grab that. Again, you can do ROAS or whatever you choose, but I just prefer spend. So I will expand all of these. I'll take my screenshot, and then I'll take my overall screenshot, then I'll take my prospecting screenshot, and then I'll take my retargeting screenshot. All right, you just nailed the copy. You're doing great. Lastly, I'll do, again, the top image ads, and then I'll do my overall segment, my prospecting segment, and my retargeting. And again, I don't know if you guys see here, but it'll show you the number of ads it was in, that total aggregated ROAS, and all these metrics as well, which is just really hard to do to roll this data up. Really cool to just do it at a click of a button. All right, lastly, moving on, you're almost there. There's three analysis we need to pull here. So you're going to do your spend descending. So this is going to be your overall video ads, top performing video ads. Then you're going to get your prospecting, and then you're going to get your retargeting. And then lastly, again, I like that pattern up. So I want not only the most thumb-stopping creative, but the most thumb-stopping video ad as well. So I'll grab that as well. And so boom, you're done. You just did it. You just finished a year-to-date creative analysis. You should celebrate. So ultimately that's all I do. I just take some screenshots, put some analysis behind that. It's really easy to see the patterns when the creatives living side by side with each other, as well as the metrics on there. And so, yeah, you can derive cool stuff of what is my highest ROAS ad? Was it a video? Was it an image? What's my image to video mix in my top performing creatives, in my prospecting layer, in my retargeting layer? Whatever you want, you can create what kind of segments you want and slice and dice. So I would definitely recommend doing this creative audit for a client. They'll have their mind blown. And then if you actually run the brand, it's a great analysis to do on yourself to just kind of make sure that everything's moving the way you want it to, and you're not losing or missing any insights that could really propel your brand forward and make you more monies. All right. Thanks again for stopping in. If you aren't already subscribed to Whale Mail, highly recommend it. It comes out every Tuesday, Thursday. You can subscribe by going to our Twitter account. It's at trytriplewhale.com. Subscription page is right there on our profile page. We'd love to have you. And thanks again for taking the time to watch the video. And we will see you on the flip. Thanks, everybody. Have a great weekend.